your record. They're going to see that you had a DWI. They're going to see that you had a felony cocaine case. From now on and for the rest of your life, they're going to harass and harangue you anytime you get pulled over. Even if you have the slightest smell of alcohol, doesn't matter if you're drunk or not, they're going to arrest you. Your record speaks for itself, and they will take you in every single time. From now on, after today, you will be facing a minimum of 90 days in jail for anything that you pick up here. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
What we're doing today will not happen again. It's a minimum of 90 days, meaning it only goes up. Maybe 120 days, maybe 180 days, depending on if anyone is injured. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Giving up the right to a trial, to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. It's okay. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. Once you plead guilty, you can never undo this and you can never change this. Do you understand?
Yes, yes, sir.
This will have immigration consequences. You can get deported, excluded from the country, or denied naturalization. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure you want to do this?
Yes.
How do you plead to the offense of driving while intoxicated? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Is it true that you had above a 0.15?
Yes.
The state put to abandon the. Just letting you know.
For the open container, okay,
Yeah,
but it's still a 0.15.
I'm just letting you know.
You had alcohol in the car while you're driving?
Yes.
Why would I take this? It's a minimum of 5 days in jail. Why would I take this? What have you learned, Mr. Olivares?
De todo esto, señor Olivares. A lot of things, yeah.
Like what?
Okay.
Estuvo mal.
¿Cómo?
Estuvo mal la subida.
What I did was wrong.
Tuve muchos problemas.
I had a lot of problems because of that.
What problems did you have?
Problemas es que usted tuvo.
Los que estaba haciendo como de venir para acá y todo.
Having to come here, all these things that I had to
Todo mi
do.
mal récord.
My bad record now.
If I drug test you right now, what's going to happen?
¿Qué resultaría? ¿Qué resultaría?
What are you going to test positive for if I drug test you right now?
¿Cómo?
¿Cómo?
I'm sorry, repeat the question.
If I drug test you right now, what's going to show up?
¿Va a surgir algo?
No.
No, nothing.
I'm going to do that right now.
Voy a hacer ahorita.
Está bien.
And if you test negative, then I'll take it. If you test positive,
Entonces acepto. Pero si sale positivo,
you understand?
¿usted entiende?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Oh, Mr. Boye, I want to send him right now. He's
Quiero mandarlo ahorita.
the problem, Mr. Olivares, is that I don't want to set you up for failure.
Quiero de que usted
And when someone pleads guilty, you're taking the easy way out and you have alcohol in the car, you've got cocaine in your system. The last thing we want is for you to kill someone. We had someone here 2 months ago, same exact situation as you, and they had killed someone.
alguien.
Mr. Boye, can you give me 5 minutes? Do you mind?
Okay, that's fine.
Do you have anything else to do?
Yeah, I just need to move my car, that's all.
No más necesito que mueva mi carro.
You can do this via, if you want to leave, you can go ahead and leave. Give me your cell phone. You can always do it via Zoom, so you don't have to be here as well. And I'm okay with that.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Okay. Take a seat for me, Mr. Olivares.
Vidales.
Good morning, Mr. Vidales.
392.
Ezra Williamson.
Okay, so Mr. Vidales, you have 2 thefts and a criminal trespass that are open. I have the criminal trespass at 10,003 because you don't come back. How come you don't come back? I took a shower.
A lot of people have been setting me up, so I'm trying to go back. I'm trying to go to a group home after Broadway. I ain't trying to go back to Broadway no more.
If you come back to court,
Yeah,
good things happen. When you take off, all you do is you put on orange, and then all we do is we make your bonds higher and higher and higher, and that's all that happens.
yeah.
When you come back, we help you. We want to help you. We want good things to happen for you. But when you take off constantly, you know, this is what happens.
But he understands he's gonna get help and go to get housing and everything he needs at that point.
Are you on probation or parole? Is he on probation or parole?
I can see Judge.
Okay. What are we doing? Which,
3 days must come.
on which one? In Kavita, the newest theft. You know, are we setting him up to fail by doing this? Are we just setting you up to fail?
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
You're gonna do what? Pick up another case? Yes, I know.
I'm not gonna pick another case. I'm gonna go to the group home.
He says he's gonna go to Cypress Creek
To
Hospital.
Cypress Creek. I just tell them Cypress I'm suicidal and they receive me like that.
No, I'm not gonna do this now, Mr. Vidal. This sets you up to fail because all this does is tell you it's okay for you to constantly take off, pick up a new case, take off, pick up a new case, take off, pick up a new case, and when we just give you 3 days in jail, boom, you get right back out. What the hell good in there is that for that? Do what?
I'm gonna do whatever it takes me to stay out of jail. I mean, I've been.
I don't believe that for a second,
I've been
man.
in 14 tanks and I got him beaten up a whole bunch of times.
You got-
14 tanks. I've been in 14 tanks and I've been assaulted by a lot of inmates. I'm getting beaten up over and over by a lot of inmates. They took it.
Yet,
Yeah.
all you do is pick up new cases and continue to abscond. If you're telling me that you have all these mental health issues and we are basically just doing catch and release, no. I'm done doing that, Mr. Vidales, because that tells you it's okay for you to keep doing what you're doing and we're not addressing the underlying problem.
I'll fix the issue. I'll fix the issue. I'll fix it.
I don't believe you. I'm sorry, Kavita. Can't. What I'm gonna do is I'm setting you up for a TRAS because I want to know more about you. I want to know everything about you.
I'll fix the issue. I'll fix it. I got it.
I don't believe you.
What do I gotta do?
And a TRAS.
What is that? What's a T-Rex?
It's an evaluation to see what's going on in your life, to see why you keep coming back to us and why you keep taking off. I'm done with catch and release, Mr. Vidales. It's not happening again. I love the
I gotta spend
tattoos.
more time in jail now.
That's right. You got to stay more time.
I'm finna catch out in this tank right now. I'm finna catch up. I'm finna point out 10 people. I'm finna point out 20 people. I'm finna keep on pointing out people catching up from tank and tank and tank. I'm letting you know my people's situation gonna get real worse at this point.
Let's go, Mr.
What does that mean?
Yeah.
Are you rapping?
No.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and point out anybody who I gotta point out.
Set homeboy up for a TRAS. I'm not. Hey,
I'm getting threats in the whole tank.
I'll fix that for you. Hey, can we get him into, I'd like to get him in, we're gonna get him into another tank, but let's do a TRAS, and if he starts playing around, we'll do another TRAS until he's plays the game, I guess, you know?